Leaves.
Face paint.
Trees.
My name is Sam, I'm 19. The most bit I enjoyed was making the paint out of vegetables. That's what they do in the Amazons.
My name is Danielle and I'm 21. I liked making the headdresses out of ivy and leaves. And they use like feathers. And it's part of their culture.
My name's Pierce and I'm 15, and the thing about the Amazon was the face paint.
My name's Lillian, I'm 19 years old and we draw the map of the Amazon. Where's a river?
Right, hello, my name's Jason, you probably know that already, I'm 20 years old. Yeah, I said it's pretty much a massive rainforest with loads of animals which are either extinct or endangered.
The Amazon River is the longest river in the world.
True.
No, false.
Yeah. Answer. False. It's the second longest river next to the Nile.
Some people who live in the Amazon paint their body.
It was me first.
Answer. True. There are a lot of different reasons people may paint their bodies and faces. For example, hunting or rituals.
For special occasions, you'll go to war camouflage status to show who is the most important person or leader.
It's a necklace and made from a bird, the beak of a bird and feathers, and it's a carousel bird, which is quite a big black bird in the Amazon. Have you got any questions about it?
No, I just didn't like the idea of it being bird's beak.
Okay, we're going to look at these two objects, and they're both musical instruments, actually. And do you know anything about this? What is it made of?
A bone.
Yeah. And what type of instrument it is?
A flute.
Yeah, that's right. And on this instrument you can see some, it's quite faint, but you can see, yeah, some paint decoration, and maybe that mimics a decoration or of an animal, perhaps, because, yeah, or pig, or yeah, monkey. Okay, these are a couple more objects, and this is a club, and it's made from trees that you find in the Amazon, which means it's really, really hard and strong. So do you know what it would be used for?
Hunting, probably.
Yeah, well, actually it's used for used as a weapon. They don't use these anymore, of course, because Europeans introduced other weapons, but you can see on here, if you look more closely, can you see what that is?
Yeah, it's a person.
Yeah. And can you see anything distinctive about it, or different?
Interesting, but the one below looks similar, just smaller.
Yeah. And that bit, sort of like horns coming out of the head.
Yeah.
So it's almost like a person, but with animal features. So that's kind of interesting. Okay, so this, do you know what this is?
Not exactly.
It's a grater, but it's like made from the bone of a fish, and
Wow.
so you can imagine how it was used. They would collect a plant that they knew had special medicinal attributes, and then use this to grate it, and possibly using this bit you can see there, the lines that show that maybe it had been used like that.
Yeah.
So in the Amazon, they, you know, traditionally they wouldn't go to the chemist, they would just go out into the forest to, and they knew the plants so well, and they still do actually, and interestingly, lots of companies from outside are trying to access or get hold of their knowledge of plants.
Somewhere in the museum there is an object from the Amazon, and we've been looking at the Amazon, and so we're going to try and find that this afternoon, but I'm not going to tell you where it is yet, but if anyone discovers it, obviously let us know.
We are now entering our first exhibit. Fascinating.
So what do you think of this?
There's 2 things here, there's a bar, go inside your...
It's a torture chair, so someone would have been put
up there, sits there.
Okay, this is a snake we found, quite curious. If we zoom in slightly on the ridges here on the side of its neck, you can see an infinity sign, and I've got no idea why it's there. It could be natural, or it could be put there as some sort of symbol, but I would like to find out.
I thought these looked like the headdresses, what we made and what we saw in the Amazon stuff.
So, you found the Amazon, congratulations, exhibit. What's your personal
This is
views?
a hair tube YY from the YY people in Guyana. You can't really see, but there's a tube at the top, and that would attach to the back of your hair, and then so these are like decoration. So we've also got feather headdresses in our collection from Guyana as well.
I draw a picture.
I think it's amazing. The experience is just fantastic. Meeting people, seeing the different objects of how people used to live is fascinating.